Alright, now we want to apply our template to the target mesh, to the each specimens. So to do that now, in case you have any problem, just close the view box and open again. Okay, I mean when you want to start your template, your digitization of your each specimen. If you want to start now, if you have any problem, just close and open. All right, so now I click on. So I want to. You can give it a name you want. Okay, let's say give it F001 for female. Okay, F001, or you follow the same name you have before on the same name you have before. Okay, on your each of your specimen. So I want to give it, let me use this F001. Okay, then the date of birth, you only do this once actually for, so you have to set properly, follow the notation. If I click now to give me error, so it must be in this format, 130, let's say 31, then 2020 for example. Okay, now here you say create here, select your template here. The template is what? Face 3D faces. Alright, use the same date format here, F131. Okay, we have 2020 for example. Let's say this one is 2. Alright, so this one we only do once, don't worry, don't forget, don't worry. You're going to be doing, if you want to be doing for each of the specimen, it's okay, but you don't need that, because we don't need all this information for now. We only need the landmark data. So you now click on OK. When you are done, you click on OK. So the date format should be this. Okay, so follow this move 231. So let's say 23. This one is 33. Alright, so now you click on mesh here. If you have a volume, or you want to scan from the scanner object, you can do that. You want to digitize the digitizer, you want images, so just click on a mesh here and I browse your mesh. The first one, I click on open. So you can click on obj file, apply file, STL. Okay, these are the kind of mesh you can see here. You can see them. Click on open. I see it's open. So this is my mesh. Now I want to digitize now. So automatically when you open it, come along this, it open this automatically. I might open this. So just click on this guy. Then so just put in an approximate position, so you don't need to be exact. Okay, need to be exact position, so approximate position. Okay, so I'm done. So you click on auto digitize, select digitize point based on TPS mapping of template. You click, you can see the landmark has spread on each face. Click on finish. Yes, yes. And if you check and anything is missing, you will know here. Total point digitize. That thing is, so it's accurate now. If this one is not the same, then there's a problem. Click on yes. Okay, now we have done that. We now go to tools, semi landmarks. Just leave this guy here as it is now. So now you click on this guy. Okay, when you click on this guy will be enabled. Click on project. project. I'm using bending energy now. You can use probe distance. You can minimize by either bending energy or probe distance. So I'm using bending energy. So I've projected now. I click on slide. So you can see that it is done. So you can now repeat 6 times. So you can see multiple times here. So I use 6 times to repeat. As it's adjusting now automatically. So it's done. This is my line. You can see my line mark for the first specimen. So now let's go for the second specimen. So this one can be saved. Just click on save. Okay, save patient. So when you click on save patient, it will be saved here. So we can close this. So we have saved. Second, we have 2. Let's say call it 2. Okay. Then we click on OK. We select our 3D face here. Okay. Mesh number 2. Okay, so we click on this. So always come with it. So click here. Okay. That is saturations, 6 saturations. Alright, so you can see I have a clean landmark now. Okay, so you have to do this for each of the specimen. Okay, you have to do all the specimen. Then when you are done, then you can save. Right, so this is how to perform this. I will show you next how to export your specimen out. I will do that next in the next section. Thank you so much for listening. We'll see you in the next section.